Hi, I'm Michael. I'm switching careers into AI programming. I'm doing this because my friends are in tech and I feel like I'm missing out. We're going to pretend that you're my manager and this is my weekly one-on-one. My goal is to get a job, so I've picked this format to give useful information to hiring managers, like what it would look like to supervise me. Each week, I'm going to run you through what I'm working on, what I struggled with, what I did last week, things that are parked or completed, and other things to flag. I'll also share something fun from the week, what I liked about the work, something I struggled with, and something that I used to think but now understand better. What am I going to work on? Well, with my goal being getting a job in AI programming, I see three challenges. The first is that AI programming is a broad area. The second is that I don't know where in that area I want to work. And third, I need proof that I can do that work. So my three work streams are mapping the AI space to find my interests, reaching out to people working in those spaces to find teams I want to work on, and doing projects relevant to those teams. The AI map might not translate well to these updates, and for networking, I want to respect other people's privacy. So these updates will focus on my projects. For better credibility, I'm focused on 3 substantive projects rather than a bunch of little ones. Timing. In 2 months, I'll start a master's in data science. In a year, I'll graduate. And recently, grads are finding a job 3 to 6 months after that. Each year, a few students get job offers before graduating. My goal is to be one of them. I have these 2 months to dedicate, and if I start applying for jobs when the master's starts, I have a chance to reach my goal. If I get a job offer before finishing school, well, I already have a master's. Where am I starting at? I've coded before. I've done data analysis and visualization in R for the Canadian government. I've taken my dad's broken 1985 remote control car, gutted it, and reprogrammed the hardware so that he could control it with his phone. And I've finished Python, JS projects through Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, etc. So I'm not scared of code, but if I were to describe it as a language, it's like I know a few key phrases and I've given a presentation or two at work. Where my case might not generalize is that I have done a lot of learning projects, where I've started with very little experience in the area. I painted an oil portrait for my mom, I wrote a song for a musical, and I just finished 6 months in Taiwan on scholarship studying Mandarin by immersion. In terms of my prior experience, I ran a nonprofit, raised $180K to develop an online course on super forecasting, ghost wrote hobby courses taught by celebrities, was team lead for web analytics for Canada.ca, was a behavioral scientist for the Canadian federal government, and I worked as a research consultant, helping companies answer, so we tried to help people. How do we know it worked? This should give you a baseline so it's clear how much I improved from where I started. These will be talking head videos with jump cuts. While lighting, color correction, animations will be fun, I gotta stay focused. But good quality audio and no shaky cams is my bar. And that's it. To sign off this week, I want to thank my friend David, who wrote me such a damn good reference letter to get into the Masters. I hope everybody has a friend like him.